Biyahe kami Batangas ng aking anak. Ay ka muna, uy. Good morning ka muna. Yes, good morning. Coffee break. When we come down, yeah, yeah, yeah. We'll be dreaming safe and sound. Better not, baby, that's all I got. Yeah, we can make time, baby, overnight. Or we could make lang 70. So time check 6:30. Tulog ang Junakis. Bili mo na ako, daddy. Ganyan.
Yeah, to make it real relaxation. Keep breathing from the regulator, don't take it out. Okay, what's next? Okay, grab those inflators above your head. Okay, now you can show him his gauge. Show him just his gauge is 0. So, and the way you would keep breathing, yeah? Okay? Alright, and then, like underwater, you'll be the one opening and closing, huh? Like it's just because everything is heavy here. Okay, do you see this pressure back?
Yeah, it went back. Ayan, yung mga macho ng FCOA. Yung mga macho guys. Flex your muscle.
Ano? Drive speed oh.
Wala na.
Sige nga.
Gulay marami pa. Buksan mo yung gulay.
Nga, anong isda yan? Kailangan mong pangalanan.
Eto.
Yes. Kasi ano kayo nanging isda ka, di ba?
Pritong isda.
Hindi. Ang pangalan yan.
Tulingan. Ano yan? Sige na. Libre ko yan.
May menu pa ako. Nakapet.
Ay ka muna. Excellent coach!
Yan lang na yung break ako.
Meet our master, Master Gerard.
Two ways of having visibility. I only write them once.
And temperature, no need?
If
Dive
you know
log.
it from your dive computer, then you can.
I was not able to check it earlier. Okay, let's just...
Sir Jeff, gagabi na kami. Ito, wala. Gagabi na, nakaset up ng tent natin. Pa. Sir David.
Hello.
Vloggers na yung tropa ko.
Try natin mag-vlog ka mo, food vlogger!
Hey!
Egeris! Egeris! Shanghai!
Sarap na ito.
Ito. Okay, wala. Masaya na yan. Gulay, again. Pansit.
Sarap na ito sa alat. Ala, bigo mo yung kanta!
Palasang ka talaga.
Kunin mo na yung ista eh.
Bakit? Sige,
Kunin mo ista natin.
Ay, wait lang.
di ba si si Irvie na gano'n?
Grabe naman yung diet ni Herbie, oh.
You know. No rice.
Bilang na bilang mo yung calories,
Then,
oh.
No rice.
Nakahiwala yung rice niya. Wait mo lang.
With your muscle.